Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying your online classes. So today in this video we will discuss the next chapter of your English language, that is adverb. Okay, so in this video we will discuss what is adverb, kinds of adverb, position of adverb and order of adverb. Is it clear? So we will discuss these all points in this chapter. So I hope you have already studied in the previous class about the adverb. So let's see very first what is the adverb. If we talk about the definition of adverb, so we can say that an adverb is the word that modifies a verb or an adjective or an adverb. Is it clear? So an adverb is a word that is used to modify a verb, adjective or itself. Adverb also modify itself. Is it clear? Okay. So adverb modifies verb, adjective or itself. Is it clear? So let's see the examples. She walks slowly. Okay. So in this sentence, walk is a verb. Okay. And slowly is a adverb. And this, the word slowly modify the word walks. Is it clear? She walks slowly. How she walks? So we will get answer slowly. So here the word slowly is a adverb. Is it clear? Now see further. I saw a very tall boy. Okay. So here boy is a noun, tall is a adjective and very is a adverb. Okay. I saw a very tall boy. The word adjective modify the word noun and the word very modify the word adjective, that is tall. So in the first example, the word slowly modify a verb. In second example, very, this is the adverb and modify the word adjective, tall. Okay. And the last one, she walked very quickly to the car. Okay. Again see, here walk is a verb. She walked. How she walked? She walked quickly. Okay, so quickly is a adverb. How quickly she walked? Very quickly. So see, very is a adverb. So in that sentence, okay, here the adverb quickly modify another adverb, that is quickly. Is it clear? So in first example, slowly modify the verb. Second example, very modify adjective. And third example, very, okay, is used to modify an adverb quickly. Is it clear? So we can say that adverb can modify a verb, an adjective or an adverb. Okay. After that we talks about the types of adverbs. Okay, how many types of adverbs? So adverbs are many types. Adverbs are of many types. Okay, so one by one we will discuss those adverbs. Okay, so let's see first. Adverbs are of following types. The first one, adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner. So what is adverb of manner? So it indicates how or in what way something is done. Is it clear? Adverb of manner tells us in what way any work is done. Okay. And moreover, how to find out adverb of manner? So it gives answer of how. All the word that give the answer of how is a adverb and what types of adverb? Adverb of manner. Is it clear? In the first sentence, she walked slowly. How she walked? We will get answer slowly. So slowly is adverb, but what kind of adverb? This is a adverb of manner. Is it clear? So if you want to find out adverb of manner, okay, so just remember the word how. All the word that give the answer of how is adverb of manner. Okay, dear student, always remember these points. This will help you in your first term examination. Okay, you will get some optional question to find out adjective, adverb, adverb of manner. So these words help you. Okay. Okay, I have written some words that is adverb of manner. Okay, see, well, clearly, slowly, fast, nicely, badly. These all are the example of adverb of manners. Is it clear? Let's see example. She moved into the room hurriedly. Okay, she moved into the room hurriedly. How she moved into the room? How? We will get answer hurriedly. So here hurriedly is a adverb of manner. Okay, is it clear? Now see the second example. The woodcutter cut the trees slowly. How cut? In what way he cut the tree? He cut the tree in slowly manner. Okay, so slowly is also a adverb of manner. Is it clear? So I hope you have understood, you have got all the points about the adverb of manner and adverb. Okay, any problem? No, I think you have known any problem. Okay, so note the points. Okay, okay students, so I hope you have note down all the points that we have discussed. Let's see the further types of the adverbs. So the second type of the adverb is adverb of time. Okay, so what is adverb of time? It indicates when something is done. Okay, are you getting me? All the words that tell us about the time, all the words that shows time are known as adverb of time. Is it clear? And one more thing, suppose that if you want to find out adverb of time, so always ask question with the word when, W-H-E-N, when. It means to say adverb of time gives answer of when. All the words that give the answer of when are known as adverb of time. Is it clear? Let's see. I have mentioned some name of the adverb. Let's see. Now, then, today, tonight, yesterday, tomorrow, at. Okay, these all words are known as adverb of types. Okay, they are the example of adverb of time. Okay, let's see one more example. You will get your new book tomorrow. When you will get? So we will get answer tomorrow will get. So tomorrow, okay, this is a adverb of time. Is it clear? Any doubt? I hope you don't have any doubt. Okay, let's see next types. Type third, adverb of place. Okay, so what is adverb of place? So adverb of place always indicates where something is happens. Is it clear? It means to say all the word that tells that so place are known as adverb of place, and adverb of place always gives answer of where, W-H-E-R-E. Okay, so it always gives answer of where. Okay, So I hope you have done very well. You can find out adverb of place, adverb of time. Let's see some examples I have given of adverb of place. Here, there, near, up, off, by, down. Okay, these all are the examples of adverb of place. Okay, so it do not mandatory that these are the only words that are the adverb of place. Just know how to find out adverb of place, adverb of time. Just got this point. Okay, so if you want to find out adverb of place, then ask question with the word where. All the words that give the answer of where are known as adverb of place. Okay, let's see example. I left the parcel upstairs. Where I left the parcel? So we will get answer upstairs. So the word upstairs, this is an adverb and this is adverb of place. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now see the fourth one, adverb of frequency. Okay, you know frequency means, okay, adverb of frequency, so it indicates how often. Okay, it tells us how many times something happens. Okay, adverb of frequency tells us how often something is done, something is happens. Okay, and it always gives answer of how many times. Okay, all the word that tells us how many times something happens, that is the adverb of frequency. Okay, some examples I have mentioned: often, sometimes, always, never, usually, rarely, rarely. Okay, these all are the words that are the examples of adverb of frequency. Okay, let's see some examples. She always helps the poor. How many times she helps? Always. Okay, so here the word always is an adverb of frequency. He seldom laughs. Okay, he seldom laughs. How many times he laughs? Seldom. Okay, seldom is not at all. So seldom is the adverb of frequency. Is it clear? So I hope you have done very well about the adverb of types. Okay, these four adverbs we have done. Okay, the further types of adverb we will continue in the next video. Hello students. So let's see the remaining parts of the types of the adverbs. Okay, so fifth types of the adverbs, that is a adverb of degree. Okay, so degree, you know, degree means something that tells us the quantity of anything. Okay, so adverb of degree, it indicates how much. Okay, it indicates how much or how complete an action is. Is it clear? Adverb of degree tells us how much of any action. Okay, how much of any action or of anything has done. Okay, so it tells us. Let's see, I have mentioned some examples of the adverb of degree. So some words like very, so, to, rather, hardly, fairly, these all are the examples of adverb of degree. Okay, any problem? So I hope you have understood very well about the adverb of degree. Adverb of degree always give the answer of how much. Okay, let's see example. They are extremely happy with the house. Okay, how much they are happy? So they are extremely happy. Okay, so here extremely is the word that is an adverb, but it is a adverb of degree. Okay, one more, your brother is very honest. How much honest? Very. Okay, so here very is the an adverb of degree. Okay, let's see the next, interrogative adverb. You know interrogative adverb, interrogative adverb are used to ask question. Okay, and here some specific word only, not all the interrogative word known as interrogative adverb. All the word like when, why, where and how. These 4 words are known as a interrogative adverb. Is that clear? Okay. Now see the further sentence adverb. Sentence adverb. Now the question is that, sir, we have never heard about the sentence adverb. Actually, there is no types of sentence adverb. Okay, there is no name of any adverb that is known as sentence adverb. Actually, we have some specific adverbs, some adverbs that modifies the whole sentence. Are you getting me? We have some adverbs that are used to modify the whole sentence. Okay, they do not modify any specific word or any verb, any adjective or any adverb. They modify the whole sentence. That is why those adverbs are known as sentence adverb. Let's see. Those adverbs are surely, frankly, obviously, certainly, luckily, fortunately, definitely. Okay, so these all are the adverbs that modifies the whole sentence. They do not modify any particular parts of speech. They modify the whole sentence. Is it clear? Let's see example. Obviously, you are telling lie. Now see here, the word obviously, okay, modify the whole sentence that you are telling a lie. Okay. Surely she will stand first in the examination. Surely. What is surely? That she will stand first in the examination. So here the word surely modifies the whole sentence, not any specific parts of the speech. So that is why these all underlined words are known as the sentence adverb. Okay? Okay? They are not the type. These are not any specific type. Actually, they are the parts of the adverb that we have discussed the above. Okay? So they are the parts of those adverbs, but they modify the whole sentence. That is why we call them sentence adverb. Okay? So I hope you have understood very well the types of adverb and how to find out an adverb. If you have any question regarding the types of adverb and how to find out adverb, you can ask me, you can message me in the comment box. Okay? Definitely I will solve your problem. Okay? Now see, definitely. So definitely is a adverb. What types of adverb? Sentence adverb, because it modifies the whole sentence. Okay? So till then, watch the video, enjoy and prepare for your first term examination. So all the best and enjoy and watch the video. Okay? Bye.